Canadian premiere at the Toronto Auto Show, is a vehicle with lineage going back almost as far as the 3. The first Z Roadster appeared more than 30 years ago with the introduction of the Z1. And today, the Z Roadster lives on. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd now like to introduce to you to the all-new 2019 BMW Z4. Agility, performance, and precise handling were top priorities in the development of the new Z4, ensuring that this new model arrived with genuine sports car pedigree. Its perfect 50-50 weight distribution, wide track stance, lightweight technology, and choice of 2 potent powertrains with up to 382 horsepower ensures that this new Roadster fulfills the brand's promise of delivering the ultimate in open-air driving. But the new Z4's mission went beyond drive dynamics. A key area of focus was also placed on ensuring it had superior aesthetics. A premium sports car, of course, has to look the part, and the new Z4 maintains the classic Roadster proportions with an elongated hood, pronounced wheel arches, and new BMW design traits such as the vertical headlights and the mesh kitting. The end result is a Roadster that has the looks to back up its performance.